like freaking out. This is so awesome. Oh my god.
Now, third piece of the shop tip, just in front of me now, it's completely grey and it's slightly bigger than the black tip shops. And they're called a sandbar shop, that one. That's one front and bottom of the business. And we've got two of them here.
Forever.